brought this teeny tiny little turtle, but there was nobody here. So I ended up talking with some neighbors, but it was like this big.
Oh my gosh. He was the size of a quarter.
I talked with some neighbors and they decided.
Picture safety.
This is Jill.
Hi, I'm Farah. This is my neighbor. That's what we heard last night. Yes.
She heard that noise. She knew something was that chair.
That's a little dirty. I think it's the right leg, by the way. Oh yeah. Listen, if you need help, if you need any help, you work on it. Oh my goodness. Okay, well if you need an extra set of hands, I'm here on the island. You can call me anytime. I take care of my dad full time, so I've got a flexible schedule.
Yeah, he flew pretty good and then just couldn't come in.
Yeah.
And then I just was afraid something was going to
And the whole family was there checking in. Yeah. Just hug everybody right now, like it's a celebration. I know, and we have like this great friendship now made out of it. Oh my goodness, little ducklings. Oh, they're gonna keep each other company. Oh my goodness. I know, I'm gonna get the chills right
What are
now.
you going to do with the bird? What did you name the bird? I said, I'm not going to name the bird. I can't name the bird.
I know, I already got a lecture.
I got a couple more birds in. One was a great horned owl. Hey, Jane. One was a great horned owl and one's a crow. And I named the crow Dorian.
Oh, wow.
Okay, here's your cage.
Okay.
How can we donate to you guys?
give
Do you
you
have
this.
a thing that we can
Yes.
I want you to fill this in for me. Found
Okay.
by, phone number, email address, and found at or near.
Okay.
You too, Jill, please.
What do you need?
I need you information that I can put on your intake sheet. So if there's another one in the general vicinity, then it's probably a relative.
So you think I should definitely look in this?
Yeah, you want me to fill one
Yeah.
out too?
Well, that's just for this morning.
Oh, that,
right?
got it.
Yeah, that's okay. We're fine.
if there's
If I can send any of this to you if you want. Like, if you want any of the video.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
I want to show my daughter.
Oh, look at the owl.
Inside. Everybody else is outdoors. 'Cause they were all
What a
upstairs.
beautiful owl. Oh my gosh. I've never seen any. He looks fake.
Big long chicken legs under there.
Yeah.
cute little possum named Luigi
Hi. It's okay. Look at, he is like not having it right. Oh, he just blinked. Oh, I know. I'll just act injured.
Crow. Oh my
Where's the
gosh.
crow at?
It looks like a statue.
Hi. Hello in there. Here.
because you are my obsession.
Hi. It's okay. I won't come near you. Yeah.
And Dorian, oh, I love Dorian.
Hi. Hi. Hi, little. Bye-bye. You're so pretty. You're beautiful. Oh, bless your heart. Okay, bye-bye.